Hello everyone, welcome to my channel The Colors of Mathematics, and in this video we will be learning basic math skills based on fractions. This is my fourth video in the series and we are learning subtraction of mixed numbers in this video. So we have two numbers 5 3/8 and 2 1/4. So let's subtract them. So first we will change them into improper fractions by we will multiply 5 by 8, we get 40, and we will add this 3 to 40. So we get 40 plus 3 equals 43. So in improper fraction it will look like 43 by 8. And same way we are going to multiply 2 by 4 and add 1. So 2 times 4 is 8 and 8 plus 1 is 9. So what do we get? We get 9 by 4. Now we can see that the denominators are not same. That means these are unlike fractions. So we will try to find LCM in order to make the denominators same. Both of these are even numbers, so we will divide them by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Again they are even, so we will divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1. And again we will take out 2 and we will get this. So LCM will be 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. So the first number has the denominator 8. So we need not do anything to this, but the second fraction we will try to make the denominator 8. In order to do that, so we have to multiply 4 by 2. Whatever we do to the denominator, we are going to do to the numerator. So what do we get? We get 43 by 8 minus 18 by 8. So now these are like fractions, so we can easily subtract the numerators. So let's subtract the numerators. 43 minus 18, and let's see what do we get. 13 minus 8 is 5. 3 minus 1 is 2. So we get 25. Now, since 25 is greater than 8, this is an improper fraction. When the numerator is greater than the denominator, we need to change it into mixed fraction. So let's change it into mixed fraction. Let's divide 25 by 8. We know 8 times 3 is 24. So we will subtract 24 and the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 1. So in mixed fraction it will be 3 1 by 8. So I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.